Hey, so if you've ever sent files and wondered whether the other person actually received or downloaded them, yeah, you're definitely not alone. With WeTransfer, there's actually a simple way to track file delivery even using the free method, and I'll show you exactly how it works. First, make sure you choose the email option when sending files instead of just generating a link. This is important because tracking only works through email notifications. Then enter your own email address correctly. Yeah, since WeTransfer will send you updates about the transfer. Now upload your files and complete the transfer like you normally would. Once the upload is done, you'll receive a confirmation email telling you that your files have been sent successfully. After that, when the recipient downloads the files, you'll get another email notification. This is the key part because it confirms that your files were actually accessed. So basically, yeah, these email notifications act as your free tracking system without needing any paid features. If you don't receive a download notification after some time, you can follow up with the recipient just to make sure everything is okay. And if you need more advanced tracking features, uh, you can always upgrade your plan later. So yeah, that's how to track file delivery in WeTransfer using the free method. It's simple, effective, and works really well once you understand the process.